Hi, my name is Carrie. I work at a garden center at Valley View Farms in northern Baltimore County and have for years. And one of the things I've liked are the different containers we've been able to get in the last few years from all over the world. So these ceramic containers are wonderful, all different sizes. You can use them indoors or out. Most of them are what I would call weather resistant, and they can handle a freeze outside, but you do want to make sure that the plant you have in here is in a straight-sided pot. This one that has sort of a curved edge, if that pot were to freeze or the soil were to freeze and thaw a couple of times, you might get a crack in it. But most of these are going to be okay as long as you don't have too much water sitting in them or anything. Another option is to go plastic. Plastic's great because it's lightweight. Some of it's kind of boring, but it's gotten better in the past few years. We've got some fantastic manufacturers that give you sort of a ceramic look, but in a plastic pot, so it's nice and lightweight. It still has good drainage like the other pots do. And the other nice thing is if it doesn't have enough drainage, you can take a drill and put some extra holes in there. And you can get these in different sizes. So if you want to put trees or shrubs at the entrance of your porch and patio, there are options for that. But if you just want to put a few annuals on the front of your porch for some good look, you can go with all sorts of colors there. Lastly, talk about clay, and I love clay, but I am what they call the desert queen. I don't water my plants that much, so this is not a good choice for me outside unless I'm growing succulents. This is great if you're a person that tends to overwater plants because the porosity of the clay allows the water to sort of move out and away. It also comes in all different shapes and sizes, and this is on the color wheel, this is the opposite of green, right? So green always looks good in a clay planter. But that's really about it. There are so many different choices. Go to your favorite garden center, take a look, and see what might appeal to you.